and makes it very convenient that my lighting guys don't have to come from over here in the booth all the way over to the wall to adjust the lights anymore. It's all in the same place that we are adjusting our house lights. Alright, I'm at the space now. I have the light switch here that I'm going to be replacing this older style switch and dimmer with, to where we can hopefully control everything from our iPad that does all of our lighting control. So let's dive right in. Alright, so first things first, with dealing with power, you always want to cut the power to everything so where you can safely work on stuff. So let's do that real quick. Alright, no more lights. Alright, so now I have the iPad here, so I'm going to open it up, put the password in, and then I need to search for the app to control this light. Alright, so what I've done is the lights have their own proprietary app. So I set that up with the bridge that it came with, and now the remote, the wall switch all work. And then what I did is, this light has Apple HomeKit, which is the biggest feature of this light that you need to make note of. And it has a code here to set up the Apple HomeKit lights. Alright, so now I have the Luminair app set up with a test scene here, which you probably won't be able to tell in this video, but this fader controls the house lights. That's working just as it should with a fader, which is really sweet and makes it very convenient that my lighting guys don't have to come from over here in the booth all the way over to the wall to adjust the lights anymore. It's all in the same place that we are adjusting our house lights. So if you got any value out of this, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks.